What is household big data? Household big data is the data infrastructure for the AI/DX era designed to overcome data deficiencies, analytical and predictive limitations, and the innovation limitations of my sovereign. The singular reason why countless policies and marketing efforts fail today is simple. They fail to truly understand people. If we can understand every household in South Korea, policies can become more precise, marketing can be more effective, and AI can become smarter. Civic's household big data is the answer to all these challenges. We generate household lifestyle profiles for 24 million households in South Korea, encompassing 600 items without a single question or survey. We precisely estimate income, consumption, assets and liabilities, regional characteristics, and even psychological states with an accuracy of within 3%. This isn't just simple statistics, it's actionable data that enables on-the-ground decision-making. Household big data is provided based on 4 major market segmentation criteria, along with specific examples of its application. 1. Geographic segmentation. Single-person households in their 30 seconds living in Yeonnam-dong, Mapogu, Seoul, have the highest average monthly dining out expenses. Rural areas in northwestern Cheongnam Province have a high proportion of elderly 2-person households and a higher predicted probability of dementia. This allows for a detailed understanding of regional population composition, consumption patterns, and welfare needs. 2. Demographic segmentation. Dual-income households in their 40 seconds have a high burden of housing costs and a strong interest in financial products. Single-person households in their 20 seconds have a high proportion of spending on communication fees and subscription-based content. This facilitates the development of customized policies and product strategies based on income, age, and household structure. 3. Behavioral segmentation. Household groups that concentrate their dining out on weekends are prime targets for new franchise locations. Households with a high propensity for regular subscriptions are target groups for new products in the culture and health sectors. This enables precise marketing and service targeting based on actual consumption behavior. 4. Psychographic segmentation. Households with a high debt stress index are classified as high-risk financial groups. Middle-aged and older households with high economic anxiety have higher insurance enrollment rates and show a clear contraction in spending. This allows for the prevention of financial fraud, identification of at-risk households, and prioritization of welfare based on psychological predictions. Essential infrastructure for both public and private sectors. Policymakers can move beyond reactive measures to proactive welfare and safety net construction. They can preemptively identify and respond to at-risk households, risks of solitary deaths, and blind spots in care. Businesses can conduct targeted marketing by region, age, and household type based on consumption capacity and psychology. This serves as core data in the insurance, home appliance, retail, real estate, and healthcare sectors. ADEX developers can secure high-quality learning data for policy simulations, automated decision-making, and customer prediction models. How household big data is used. Administration, early prediction of at-risk households, precise welfare policy formulation, regional care planning, marketing, target analysis based on consumption capacity, regional demand mapping, finance, customer risk classification, advanced product recommendation algorithms, retail real estate, location selection, consumer type classification, AI/DX, prediction model learning data, foundation for digital twin design. There should no longer be a delay in decision-making due to a lack of data. Civic's household big data becomes the starting point for all industries and all policies. The most precise way to understand South Korea is through Civic's household big data.